Ayan na, still na naman. Roy, 2 points. 30 seconds left. Easy basket.
Layo.
Official score. We 22-30 minutes left. Steve. Easy basket. By
magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo sa May Bunga Covered Court at mapapanood natin ang Liga ng May Bunga 2026 at ang maglalaban ng Senior Division Brotherhood versus Morning Boys. Mga boss, pakisubscribe po
Morning Boys
ng YouTube
Brotherhood.
channel kong Boss Alam Vlogs. Yung mga hindi
Lag-laga na.
subscribe, pakisubscribe po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Start of the ball game.
Natapikan. Bilis. Easy basket, no good. 9 minutes and 50 seconds left. No good. Rebound by number 16. To number 55 for 3. No good. To number 28. No good.
Manager.
Manager.
26 yan, 26.
Whoops. No good. For 3. Pavilion. No good. 9 minutes left.
Boss.
Lagay mo na sa box niya.
Easy basket.
Ay,
26.
boss yan.
Kailan si Reynoso?
Two points by number 26. Reynoso.
Yan, 22.
Number 22.
Ayos, ayos! Bigos yun. Kaya nga, bigos yun. Alam ko, ayos! Delikado yun.
8 minutes and 30 seconds left. One jump. 2 points by number 18. Easy basket. 8 minutes and 20 seconds left. At time remaining natin.
Tandaanin mo ha!
So number 14. Tragedy pa ulit siya.
Remaining time, 8 minutes. Score 2-3 in favor of Morning Boys.
Bluetooth connected.
Si Samudra, 50 seconds to shoot. Pavilion, upatake. Drop pass, 10 seconds to shoot. Pinagula ng Samudra. No good ang lore 3. Tapikan. Save ball. Shot clock. 40 seconds to shot clock. Take, jump. No good. Rebound pa rin nila. Easy basket by number 16. 18.
Huesco.
2. Easy basket. 12. 5-2. 7 minutes and 15 seconds left. Easy basket. No good. 7 minutes left. At tayo remaining natin. To Samudra, 10 seconds to shoot. Pavilion. Samudra, long 3. No good. Tapikan. Number 14. Great ball. To number 87, 97, long 2. No good, Tapikan. Uy, hindi nasa kanya yung pa. Babalik break. Nabud. Rebound na, fast break, napakabilis. Easy basket, by number 26.
Manager yun.
Ray Nasa. 5-4 ang ating score, 6 minutes left ang ating natitirang time remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. Nabud. Number 26, Ray Nasa. 1-2. Nabud, same ball tayo. What? And there's a no good. Gara-gara number 24 is the basket by number 24. At bilis tayo Ortiz. Ayun na, habi na din. Umatake. There's a foul. Ano foul number 24. And second team foul.
Ang depensa. Agaw.
Masa, Nordic Boys.
Nakaka-play.
2 points for Doringan. 6-7 ang ating score. No good. Drop pass. Great. Nordic Boys. 1 point lead now. For 3. No good at there's a foul.
Akin mo gawin yun. Marahin kita. Wala ka. Wala ko, magpakapang eh. Nangakot ang
First shot, no good. Ang first issue basket by number 14. All 7. 4 minutes left. No good. Yan na, dire-diretso. What a move. First shot is 3 minutes and 48 seconds left. Pasok. 9-7 in favor of Brotherhood. 2-point lead. To Santos, to number 97. Santos pick. Batake na, trapas, ang ganda. Lugod pa din. Ayun na, mas break na kayo namin 14. To number 26, Kantutawan. Doon lang ba lang sa mundo? David. To number 26, ay nasa pull-up jump. No good. Remaining natin. To number 20, Santos. Sinapas again. Easy basket by Sandujo. All 9. Ang ating score. To number 22, Nagitawa agad.
Waiting for Perry.
Wala. Oh! And there's a foul. No good.
Ang lakas mo, wala. Walang laro ba?
Whoop. And there's
Hindi naman ako sila, yun ang nagbibilyo.
first shot. Second shot is in.
Kaya nila yan.
Number 6. 2 minutes and 18 seconds left.
Takaan. Pwede mo kayo.
Official score 11-9. 2 minutes and 12 seconds left. Good.
Patik yan.
To number 4, Manalaba. To number 15, pull-up jump. No good. Rebound din. Number 22, for 3. Bang.
Manager. Si Boss yun. Si Boss.
Now, basic na basic. Ayan na, still na naman.
Taklan.
2 points.
Remaining time, 1 minute 25 seconds.
In favor of Brotherhood. 1 minute and 25 seconds left. Ang time remaining natin. Block 3, no good. Fast break na naman. Ang bilis. Nabitawan. 1 minute and 10 seconds left. 16-9 in favor of Brotherhood. 50-second shot clock. To number 97, pull-up jump. No good rin number Panalo. Jump, no good pa din. Guaraya, 3. No good rin number Panalo. Fake, jump, easy, basket. By Panalo. 30 seconds left. 16-11. 30 seconds left. Easy basket. Bilis ko na. By number 4. 20 seconds left. To number 8. Pull up jump. No good. 15. 10 seconds left. Shot clock is off. Crossover. Save ball.
End of first quarter. Score
Time yun. Running time 3 yun.
11 in favor of Brotherhood. Second
Okay,
quarter.
start na. Second quarter.
Arabol! Arabol!
Tumanala to. To number 26. To number 15. Toss up. No move. Black ang bola. To Arroyo. To Santos. Arroyo. Pick. And there's a foul.
Palaman!
To number 9. Ray.
Baka meron kasi kami yung duty, wala kami yung korte.
9 minutes left. Official score 18. 11. Up.
Sige, ito yung nakikita natin.
Pull up jump by Panalo. No good. Wala na good. No good. 8 minutes and 20 seconds left. To number 8. Up. Same ball back. Second shot clock. Kabila isa na ito na natin. 8 seconds to shoot. Pull up jump. David. Good. 18-11. David. Yan na, okay na. 8 minutes left. 2 points. Way number 6.
Dead ball.
7 minutes and 40 seconds left. 8 seconds shot clock. Young 2. No good. Tumanala pa ang mga bola ng Barato. Wakabas. Kaso na bitayan. David. Number 14.
Layo.
Official score 22-11. 7 minutes left. Arroyo. 50-second shot clock. To Santos. Santos, there's a foul. 1-2. Good shot. No good. Official score 22-11 in favor of Brotherhood. For three. Play number 6. 20 25-11. Umatake. Oh.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Score 25-11 in favor of Brotherhood.
Number 24 for 3 points. Body service to shoot. Alley-oop. Galing. Wala move.
Lalim.
Play number 15. Over the ball. Forward. Pass break na naman. Nagkakabilis. Number 4. Setting the play. 50 seconds to shoot. 15. Play number 6. Play number 9 pala. 29-14. Wow! Nabitawan.
Remaining
Official
time
score 14. 4 minutes and 47 seconds left. Laku, 2 points. Easy basket. By number 14. 32-14. In favor of Brotherhood. 4 minutes and 20 seconds left. To Panala. Turn around. Brotherhood. Yun na rin na line number 14. Coast to coast. Brotherhood pa rin. 32-14, 12 minutes left. Grab pass kay Banalo. 2 points kay Banalo. Layo. Official score 32-16. Fred seconds to shoot. Steal. Easy basket. By number 4, Manaloto. 3 minutes and 20 seconds left. Fred shot clock. Number 24, 3 points. By number 24. Ortiz. Ayun na. So number 4, setting the play. Wow, naginawa na. Grabe ng violation. Minutes and 50 seconds left.
34-19 official score.
34-19. Inatake na. Easy basket by number 24, Ortiz. 34-21. 2 minutes and 9 seconds left. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 4. 2 points with number 4, Manaloto. Take, jump, reps the good. Dinawaka, 36-21. 1 minute and 55 seconds left. 37 shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Reps hanggang sa foul. Good ba yun? Great ball. Steal. Steal ba? Hindi. 10 seconds to shoot.
Time.
Wow, hanggang sa foul. And 30. No good. Iba mo number 15. No good again. Iba mo number 4. Manalata 40 second shot clock. To number 27. Number 3. No good. Goes about 21. 25 seconds left. 14. No good, rebound. Number 18, 2 points. Official score 36-22. 30 seconds left. 4 second shot clock. No good. Rebound, number. Shot clock is left. 10 seconds left. 7 seconds left. 5. Official score
End of second quarter.
36-25. Ang ating score in favor of Brother Wood. Pagkakabal rin na tayo.
Third quarter.
36-25. Number 24. To number 55. Pagkakabal. Round 3 na Wood. 36-25. 30. No good then. Number 24, gara-garatsa. Tatapitan. Si number 13. Si number 8, katautan. Bitawan. Si number 87. Si number 18. Wala pa doon. 13. Play number 24, Ortiz. Ayun na. Black Adder Hill. 8-point lead. 50 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. Steal. Play number 14. Wyatt, there's a foul. Way number 24. Number 27, pull-up jump. Easy basket. Play number 27. Wala buko. 38-28. Oops. Sinubula-wala sa buko. Good. Number 4, Manalata. 50 second shot clock. Crossover. Turn around three. Easy basket. By number 27.
Asuncion.
Abud. By number 27. Number 24. Big bet. Easy basket. By number 24. Abud. 30 in favor of Brotherhood. Number 27, crossover. By number 4, pull-up jump. 2 points. By number 4. Steal. Number 97.
Oh, tagaling.
Abud. By number 27.
Iiwas eh.
34, 30. 20 seconds to shoot. Number 87. Easy basket by number 87. 32. To number 4.
Ah!
Easy basket. By number 14. 46-32. 47 shot clock. Pagkabagay number 3. Number 14. Lagos kumuha ng bola. To side, easy basket. 48-32. Lumula po na ang kalabangan ng Brotherhood. 5 minutes and 50 seconds left. Number 24. Still again. Pass break. 2 points with number 4. Boys.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Score 50-32 in favor of Brotherhood.
18-point lead ang inahabol ng Daring Boys. Still again. Play na break. Katakutan to side. No good. Rico by number 27. Walang din. To Santos. To Samudio. Easy basket to Samudio. 50-34. Number 8. Number 3. Points by number 8. What a move. 53-34. 5 minutes left. Samudio. Long 2. Very good. So that's a foul. So we win a bit. To number 27. To number 11. Number 27. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Pass break. Wala pa din. Official score 53-34. Sinulat pa ka. So nice team. 4 minutes left. Number 87. No good. Kapitan. Pass break kay number 8. Easy basket. Wrong number. Kay number 13. Top break. 3 minutes and 38 seconds left. No good. Official score 55-34. Number 18, third personal foul na po. No good. Rebound by number 97. Sulaway, babak upang po. Pasa pa rin. Easy basket by number 27. 57-34. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Number 97. Wow. Third quarter. Number. Kita sa gitna. Aliuk, sinagod. Rebound. Number 8. Number 8. Nawala na. 2 minutes left. Number 8. 2 points by Arroyo. 57-36. Steal. To number 8. No good. 57-36. Easy basket. Sa gilid. For 3 points, winner break. 59-39, 1 minute and 30 seconds left. $50 to shoot. 10-7 shot clock. Number 8, long 2 points by Kakakutan. 61-39.
Grabe bumantay itong mga to.
50 seconds left. Number 4 goes over. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinatakutan hanggang sa foul. Long 3. No good, we win a break. Setting the play. Crossover. Gandang pasa. Bitawan. 20 seconds left. 61-39 in favor of Brotherhood. 10 second shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Easy basket. Nawalan. Official score 63-39 ang ating score.
End of third quarter.
Last quarter.
Fourth quarter.
63-39. Long 2. Easy basket. By number 26. 65-39. 9 minutes left. Tuaraya full of jump. No good. Ikaw by number 22. Setting the play. 65-39. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. 3. No good. Long 3, no good. Wala. Official score 65-39. 9 minutes left. To number 22, Felix jump. No good. Even by number 26. Kay number 22 again. Long 3. No good. To number 27, Black. Kapitan. Save ball. Knock. 10 second shot clock. 5 for 3. Air ball. 8 minutes left. Tuaraya. Tinawag 55. Easy basket by number 55. Pavilion. 65-41. In favor of Brotherhood. Long 3. Air ball. Tuaraya. Santos for 3. Kay Santos. Number 24. 28. 47 shot clock. And now we will beat for 3. No good. 65-44. 7 minutes left. To Santos. Long 3 again. No good. Iwan by Manalo. Easy basket by Manalo. 65-46. 57 to shoot. 10 shot clock. To number 15. Long 2 sa gilid. No good. Tuaraya para-diretso. And there's a foul. Two personal foul. And first team foul.
Bangus pala, bangus yan. Dominic, boneless yan.
65-47. Long 3. Long 3 points by number 15. Official score 68-37. Arroyo to number 24. Costa pasa by number 46. No good. Apigan. There's a foul. Here we go. To number 23. 10-second shot clock. To number 24. Drop pass sa gilid. Easy basket. To number 26. So he got good. 5 minutes left on time remaining. Official score 70-47. To number 26, pull-up jump. Lista mo na yan, 2 points. Kay number 26, back to back. Kay Reynoso. Easy basket by Arroyo. 72-49. 4 minutes and 20 seconds left. To number 22, pull-up jump. No good. To number 3. Air ball. Dito by number 22, si basket. By Elecano. Elecano pala. Easy basket by Arroyo. 74-51. 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. Sam Salas to shoot. Number 22. Good nagpasa kay number 15. Long 2 points by number 26. Reynoso. 76-51. Arroyo batake. No good. 76-51. 3 minutes left. And there's a foul by 76-51. 10 seconds to shoot. Still.
Tama. Wala na pa na yan eh.
Walang bagbol na, no good. 2 minutes and 25 seconds left. The 3. No good.
May pasok na si Pipito, wala naman yan para makapaglaro yung tao. Pipito,
2 points. 3 points. 76-54. Aguila, pasok na. Number 24. No good. 76-54. Number 22. Easy basket. Timeout. Timeout. 54. Last quarter tayo. 1 minute and 47 seconds left.
Lamang ang Brotherhood.
1 minute and 47 seconds left. Kofi Santos, no good. 78-54. Number 9, Kofi, no good. Susamuja, pass break in number 47. Basket for number 47. Trias.
Ayun!
Basic na basic ng basketball sa'yo. 78-56. Steel. Doon na sa Mujo. Tobias. Iwakamove kay Tobias. Tulos na naman. Iwakamove yun ah. Steel naman. Doon sa Mujo. Tobias. Pull-up jump. Isa pa. Wala ka doon. Steve. Tobias bumaba. Good.
Ayos din.
Walk through by number 22, no good. 30 seconds left. To number 27.
Gantuan naman ang dapat kahit pa paano.
25 seconds left. Prias, full of jump. Waupos na.
Great, so!
Galing pampasa, no?
Number 27. Inatake na. Wala pa rin. Sa ulan. Uy, wala pa rin.
Meron pa!
Congratulations.
End of the ball game. Final score, 78-58. Winner, Brotherhood. Mga boss, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlogs at huwag niyong kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel, Boss Alam Vlogs, at isama niyo na rin ang Kajeners Vlog. At nagpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay, mabuhay.